And in the middle of all of this, the Hathras district magistrate has been caught on camera, ladies and gentlemen, threatening the Hathras victim's father. Can you imagine, on camera? The Hathras district magistrate has been caught on camera saying the media will go and we are the ones who will stand with you. That's what he has said to the family of the Hathras victim. You will decide whether you want to change the statement or not. Shocking stuff coming in from Hathras, of the district magistrate allegedly threatening the father, or at least issuing a veiled threat to the father of the Hathras victim. Take a look.
आप अपनी विश्वसनीयता खत्म मत करिए। तो मीडिया वाले मैं आपको बता दूं, आज अभी आधे चले गए, कल सुबह तक आधे और निकल जाएंगे, 2-4 बचेंगे कल रात को, तो हम ही आपके साथ खड़े हैं। अब आपकी इच्छा, आपको बार बार बयान बदलना नहीं बदलना है, अभी हम भी बदल जाए कि नहीं। हम आप अपनी विश्वसनीयता खत्म मत करिए। तो मीडिया वाले मैं आपको बता दूं, आज अभी आधे चले गए, कल सुबह तक आधे और निकल जाएंगे, 2-4 बचेंगे कल रात को, तो हम ही आपके साथ खड़े हैं। अब आपकी इच्छा, आपको बार बार बयान बदलना नहीं बदलना है, अभी हम भी बदल जाए कि नहीं।
Incredible piece of footage that's breaking here on India Today, where you can hear the district magistrate of Hathras, a man who has been identified as Praveen, who is the district, Praveen Lakshkar, who is the district magistrate of Hathras, apparently issuing a veiled threat to the family of the Hathras victim, saying, you know, the media will be gone in a couple of days and then we will be the only ones here, so you need to decide for yourself what kind of statement you want to stick with. Incredible piece of audio in that footage, which shows the district magistrate apparently issuing a veiled threat to the very vulnerable family of the Hathras victim. I'm going to get you a reporter on that story in just a moment from now. Let's listen into it once again.
आप अपनी विश्वसनीयता खत्म मत करिए। तो मीडिया वाले मैं आपको बता दूं, आज अभी आधे चले गए, कल सुबह तक आधे और निकल जाएंगे, 2-4 बचेंगे कल रात को, तो हम ही आपके साथ खड़े हैं। अब आपकी इच्छा, आपको बार बार बयान बदलना नहीं बदलना है, अभी हम भी बदल जाए कि नहीं। आप अपनी विश्वसनीयता खत्म मत करिए।
This is the most prominent evidence of the situation that the Hathras victim's family is in currently. Being threatened openly, veiled threats being issued to them, and this one being caught on camera with the Hathras district magistrate basically telling them, you'd better get in line. That's the import of what he's saying. You'd better get in line because the media is going to be gone in a couple of days, so you'd better behave yourself. That is the implication of what the district magistrate appears to be saying in that audio that's been captured on camera, and you're hearing for the first time here on India Today. You've heard about the various things the UP police has and has not done, and here you've got the district magistrate in Hathras telling the family, the father of the victim in Hathras, that the media will be gone in a couple of days and you will be stuck here. Listen in and you make your mind up about the tone and the tonality of what's being said to a very vulnerable family in grief. Take a look. Listen again.
आप अपनी विश्वसनीयता खत्म मत करिए। तो मीडिया वाले मैं आपको बता दूं, आज अभी आधे चले गए, कल सुबह तक आधे और निकल जाएंगे, 2-4 बचेंगे कल रात को, तो हम ही आपके साथ खड़े हैं। अब आपकी इच्छा, आपको बार बार बयान बदलना नहीं बदलना है, अभी हम भी बदल जाए कि नहीं।
So I want to show you who the district magistrate is in those pictures. This is a video that's been captured obviously on a mobile phone. The man in the mask sitting there, that's the district magistrate. The man you see in those pictures is the district magistrate, and he's the one speaking to the father. That's the father of the victim sitting right there. There are other family members crowded around as the district magistrate speaks to the family of the victim. Totally vulnerable, You know, they've obviously had a great deal of pressure, both politically and otherwise, on them. They are already living in fear after this horrible crime. And then you've got the district magistrate sitting there, very calmly telling them the media is going to be gone in just a couple of days. Ankit Tyagi, our reporter, was on the ground in this very place until yesterday. And he has met this family. He's met with officials there. Ankit, what are you making of this? This is a pretty alarming piece of audio in that footage where you've got the DM saying, you know, 2-3 दिन के बाद media चला जाएगा, हम ही होंगे यहाँ पर. You know, he's saying it very calmly. It can be interpreted in any way, but to a vulnerable family, this sounds pretty scary.
Shiv, you know, for the family, there is only one interpretation. And let me just give you a sense of where this family lives. In the Bulgari village, where their house is situated, if you stand on the rooftop of that house, all across are the house of the people. 3 or 4 houses are of the accused as well, right next to them. I mean, it's wall to wall, you know, kind of a housing system there. They are anyway under a lot of pressure. They already feel threatened. They already know that once the media glare spotlight is over, once the media vans go back, they will be left to fend for themselves. And with the district magistrate coming out and saying that, you know, don't change your statement, don't say things except what the government is saying, media will go, only we would be here. It very clearly shows the intent to intimidate Shiv. And this happened on the night when the girl's body was also brought in. I mean, at that point of time, Mr. Meena, who is the joint magistrate of Hathras, was heard saying that आप ही लोगों की बदनामी होगी, हम जो कह रहे हैं आपके भले के लिए कह रहे हैं, नहीं समझोगे तो तुम्हारे लिए दिक्कत होगी. These are the kind of words which are being spoken to, and this despite the chief minister himself yesterday speaking to the family over video conferencing. Now, if the family does feel under pressure, if they feel threatened, the district administration has to be more sensitive about this entire case. And remember, Shiv, the only question that is being asked of the Uttar Pradesh government right now is their entire intent. With the way they, in fact, cremated that girl, with the way the entire process was undertaken, the sensitivity is missing, and with that they just want, it seems, are in a hurry to hush up this entire matter, get it off their back, and in that they are using all tactics at their disposal, including intimidation of the family, which has already suffered so much.
This is pretty scary stuff. I want to play out for our viewers once again what that district magistrate has said in this video. You're listening to it first and only here on India Today. Listen to it once again.
आप अपनी विश्वसनीयता खत्म मत करिए. तो मीडिया वाले मैं आपको बता दूं, आज अभी आधे चले गए, कल सुबह तक आधे और निकल जाएंगे, 2-4 बचेंगे कल रात को, तो हम ही आपके साथ खड़े हैं. अब आपकी इच्छा, आपको बार-बार बयान बदलना नहीं बदलना है, अभी हम भी बदल जाए कि नहीं.
Ankit, you know, you've just been there in Hathras for the last few days. You know, you've seen this family, you've met this family. Describe what it's going to be like for them to hear this. That 2-3 दिन के बाद media चला जाएगा. What would it be like? You know, because none of us have met the family. We only see them through your eyes. You've met them, Ankit. What would their experience be like being told this by the DM right now?
Shiv, you know, yesterday in the night, when I wrapped up my show from there and we were speaking to the family, the elder brother's wife, in fact, came to us and said that, you know, we are not safe here. Right now, the entire police, which is administration, which is there, is not for our safety. They are only here to make sure that there is no, you know, the media sees that some sort of action is being taken. They were saying that the policemen, those who are sitting outside their house to guard them, are seen eating food from the houses of the accused. These are the allegations. Of course, I cannot, you know, go and verify these allegations, but this just gives you a sense of fear that the family lives in, and the no confidence, the zero confidence that they have in the administration. They already were expressing the fears that once the media goes, the police will not be there to protect them, and they would be left at the mercy of all the upper caste people, those who they have been accusing of doing this, of committing this heinous crime. And on that, when the DM comes, I'll tell you, what the brother told me on the first day when I met him. He said that the media and everybody came after 8 days. For the first 7 days, the entire, and after one of the accused who was named was arrested, the family members of that accused used to stand on their rooftop and shout that it is only one daughter that you have lost. We'll make sure that you lose another one as well if you don't take your complaint back. This is the kind of intimidation that they are going through.
Scary.
And if the district magistrate also comes and says what he has, this completely is going to be absolutely awful. It will be shaking their whatever little confidence they possibly have started building back in the administration.
This is very, very scary. I mean, imagine for a family that has been shaken by the tragedy, still coming to terms with everything that's happening around them, being told the media will be gone in a couple of days. Don't lose your credibility. That's what the district magistrate of Hathras has just told the family of the young woman.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.